Hi, my name's Jenny and I am doing unboxing of the Mina Baie Midi Emmy and Londini. I got this when the pre-order was probably like 2 weeks ago. The Midi Emmy goes for $179 and the Londini, pretty sure it goes for $49. So let's get into it. Okay. So I'm using my daughter's scissors because I do not want to cut my bag or ruin it in any way. Sorry you guys, the dog next door keeps barking and this is like the only room that gets really good sunlight. So I love how Mina Baie wraps up their bags. It's just, I feel like I'm opening another present, which this is. My husband actually bought me the Emmy. Let's see. I don't know which one I want to start with. So we can do the Lentini. So this is their toiletry bag, and I got the gunmetal. For me, I do like using pouches when I put my bags. So I don't know if I'll actually use this as a toiletry bag. This feels like kind of reminds me of a bee dapper from Jujubee, but definitely a lot compact, because the bee dapper is skinnier and a little shorter. They stuff their bags really good. So with that, see, like I said, I got the gunmetal hardware. So zippered back pocket here, and then a back pocket here, and they have elastic. Ooh, and there's an extra zipper pocket right there. I haven't had their, no, I don't want to say I haven't had their nylon. I did have their midi sleeve and I loved it. I loved how washable and durable it was. So if I'm going to be using this for makeup, I mean, that's just perfect, just because makeup can get pretty messy. Now onto the bag. Of course, it comes with their dust bag. That dog is killing me. Look at that color. I've always been looking at the Midi Emmy, or the Emmy style in general, just because it kind of reminds me of a doctor bag, like, you know, back in the day. And I love that style. I mean, it's definitely a big bag. Let me grab my Midi Amelia. So this one, I do have it, the 1.0. Back it up a little bit. See the size difference on that. So Emmy is definitely wider, and since Amelia tapers going up, this does you kind of lose the packing capacity, right? So I'd say this is, I mean, they look the same like dimensions, but because of the Midi Emmy size, I think this can pack a lot more. So let me cut all this. So this is their it's not real leather. Let me see. It is vegan leather, and this one actually, let's see, measures 11 by 13.5 by 7. And then let's see, we'll go, let me take everything off and we'll take a tour of the back. And I won't be packing it up today because it's like the middle of the day already and I have my bag packed already that I'm using for the day. So this is their Terra. there's a front pocket here that goes pretty much all the way down to the bag, and there's their magnet, which is pretty strong. I haven't had an issue with their magnets. And then as you can see, they're gold hardware. And then bottle pockets on the side, which I feel like is pretty big. Okay, so normally Mina Baie, like their Stevie bags that have ears like this, usually have magnets, but these ones don't. But I feel like even though it doesn't, it stays down pretty good. And here is their backpack option. Let me see, strap should be inside. More stuffing. And their straps are right here. So straps, these are backpack straps and shoulder straps. So this is one of the shoulder straps. This is their shoulder strap right here. Okay, and another backpack strap. So I feel like on this one, their straps are actually thicker. I've had a few of their bags, and you know, it depends on like what you pack. Obviously, any bag, any backpack even, gets pretty heavy depending on what you put in it. But kind of like the thickness of the strap. Okay. So the thing, let's see. The thing you are missing from the midi Emmy is that they normally have like a suitcase sleeve that goes right here, and this one doesn't have it. I mean, I like my pockets, and I did like that exterior suitcase sleeve because I just ended up using it as an extra pocket. But I mean, this is pretty big anyways. I don't think I'll have a problem putting stuff anywhere. Okay, and then inside, as you can see, so it does come with their key leash, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elastic pockets, and then they have a pocket above one of the elastic pockets, and then a zipper pocket above another one, and then the back zipper pocket here. Now, if you're familiar with their bags, they normally have like a laptop sleeve cushioned, but this one didn't come with it. I mean, not disappointing, but it's just different because that's what normally what Mina Baie bags have. Let me get the Londini and show you how it fits in the bag. So, I mean, it's definitely a big pouch, but it's also a big bag. So it fits perfectly in there, either horizontal or vertical. Both of them are just a cute combination all together. So definitely one of their bigger bags. I know they come in full size, but I think it's just nylon. I don't think I've seen their vegan leather or leather as of yet. As for the vegan leather, I've had one other bag. I think it was a mini kitty, but that was like their first production. And I mean, if you would have told me this is vegan leather, I would have not known the difference. But it's definitely soft. I'm not sure how it wears. We'll see. So that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.